Hi viewers, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up AI Page Forge Pro so you can start generating pages. Before you generate your first page, you need one quick setup, settings, that's it. Open your WordPress dashboard. In the left menu, click AI Page Forge, then open Settings. This screen is where the plugin becomes ready to work. First, the most important part, the Claude API. Claude is the AI brain that writes your layouts and sales copy. Without this key, generation will not run. Go to console.anthropic.com, create or copy your API key, then paste it into the Claude API key field. Your key is stored encrypted, so it's not left sitting in plain text. Next, choose your AI model. Claude Sonnet. 4.6 is fast and cost-effective, perfect for most product pages and everyday work. Claude Opus 4.7 is higher quality and costs more. Use it when a premium page is worth the extra spend. My recommendation? Start with Sonnet 4.6, switch to Opus only when you need top quality. Now, optional but powerful, AI image generation with Black Forest Labs Flux. Without a Flux key, your pages still look great using polished gradient visuals. With a Flux key, the plugin can add photographic AI backgrounds for a richer look. To set it up, go to dashboard.bfl.ai. Create your account, get your API key, and add credits. Then paste the key into the BFL API key field. Turn on Enable AI Image Generation if you want images included. If your key is saved, click Test BFL Connection to confirm it works. Next, Shop Type Override. The plugin can auto-detect your shop industry from products and categories. That helps homepage and shop designs feel more relevant. Leave it on auto-detect if you're unsure, or manually choose your industry, like fashion, software, beauty, food, or general e-commerce. Now spend controls. Set a monthly spend limit in US dollars. This covers Claude and image generation together. Set it to 0 for no limit, or set a number like 20, so generation pauses when you hit your budget. Enter your alert email. This is the email used for spend alert settings. Finally, batch options. If you plan to redesign multiple products at once, you can turn on auto-apply designs in batch mode. That skips the manual preview step for queued products. If you want to review every design first, leave this off. When everything looks right, click Save Settings. You should see a confirmation that settings were saved. That's the full setup. Claude connected, model chosen, optional images ready, shop type set, budget protected. Now you're ready for the real work. Open product pages, generate your first design, preview it, apply it, and turn a plain WooCommerce product into a high-converting sales page. If you haven't installed AI Page Forge Pro yet, get it now. Connect Claude once, then start generating pages in minutes, not hours.